Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. We're going to be picking up some items that we won at auction, and it is from a moving and storage company. And let's take a look and see what it kind of looks like here, so you can kind of get an idea. It's a it's quite a large facility. I guess these are items that people never bothered to pick up. Yeah, here's lots of things. First, all these things with tags people have bought. There was a lot of really cool things that were in this auction. There was not just antique furniture, so appliances and things like that, but there also was a vintage Altair computer sold for over $1,500 in this auction, which is kind of unusual. I talked to one of the auction people here. They didn't know what it exactly was, and I said, no, I knew exactly what that thing was, being a computer nerd like that. So there's some of the items here, and then I'll show you what we got in just a second. Well, here are some of the cameras we got in the auction. This is actually a old Sony tape recorder. It was before they came out with the Walkman. It kind of worked. There are some issues with it. The cameras here, it turns out, are really not worth as much as I thought they might have been, but I still come out a little bit ahead on them. They'll probably sell locally for about $5 each. Even this really cool looking one right here, there's just a lot of them made. There's not a lot of people really looking for old cameras. They're just collectors basically. So even at $5 each, I'll come out ahead on those. And then we can move on to some other items here, including this. It's not a coffee pot, but it's something you would keep your beverages warm in. It's from probably the 50s, late 50s, early 60s. It's worth a couple $100 on its own. It's made out of brass of some kind. This is a tachometer, I believe. It's used to measure the speed of things. I could not get it to work. I had taken this thing all apart. I couldn't get anything to work in there. And there's my finger. That's nice. There's a couple of bookends there of an old man reading or a monk or something. And these are the best value right here. That's about $250 worth of jewelry boxes there. One of them had already sold for $90. Here's a MXI microphone, which people might use for their own home recording. It's a nice microphone. It has XLR inputs. It's not USB. You need a converter for it. So what do you think, everyone? Did I take a bath on this one, or do you think it'll come out okay? I know that some of the items from that lot have already sold, so I'm probably at the break-even point with it, and hopefully we'll get some more profit out of it soon. I have another auction video coming up where I bought some more things, and then I will post that very soon as well. And thanks for watching, everyone. And I appreciate it if you could like and subscribe my video. That really helps me out.